Stop right there. Before you buy an EV motor for your project, let me ask you a few questions. What if you invest your hard-earned money in the motor that fails when you just need it the most?
Hi, I am Neha and I am working here at Mecwin Green Propulsions and we are building a sustainable future.
I am going to share 7 crucial questions that you must ask yourself before buying any EV motor. Trust me, you don't want to skip this. Let's get started. First question is, what is the motor warranty? You don't want to regret your decision after buying the motor, right?
A solid warranty is your safety net. Always ask for 1 to 2 years of warranty to cover manufacturing defects. At Mecwin Motors, we offer 3 years of top tier warranty coverage, giving you peace of mind. Second question, is customization possible? Choose a brand that allows customization, like Mecwin Motors, so your motor fits your project perfect. Third question, what is the bulk discount policy? If you are planning to buy in bulk, make sure you are not paying retail prices. At Mecwin, we offer attractive bulk order discounts, making your investments more affordable. Fourth question, are spare parts easily available? Think about it. What happens when your motor needs a quick fix? You don't want to be stuck waiting for parts. Fifth question, what is the motor's load capacity? Not every motor can handle the load of a heavy duty vehicle. At Mecwin, we test our motors for heavy duty EVs, guaranteeing a long-term reliability no matter the job. Sixth question, is the motor compatible with different battery voltages? Your motor should adapt to different voltages. For example, 48 volts, 60 volts and 72 volts. You name it. Mecwin provides multi-voltage adaptable motors that provides compatibility across various EV modes. And finally, is the motor certified and tested? Look for certifications like ISO and ARA. A certified motor means you are investing in a safe, powerful and a world-class technology. At Mecwin Motors, we meet the international quality standards, so you get the best. Now you have got the 7 critical questions that you need to make sure your investment is built to last. Want motors that will help you crush your goals? Contact Mecwin Motors today for customized, reliable EV motors that exceed your expectations. And hey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights to grow your EV business.